I am Chef Davos now, and this is the story of me being a dishwasher to become a head chef at Strand Hotel, Brewer and Butcher. I was always curious what the chefs were doing, and then I have to always make notes about what they were cooking, and at the end of the day I write it in my book. I always call it the chef's pocket book. It always fits in my back pocket, so I wrote everything down that I have to learn what the chefs are doing, and at the end of the day ask them what the things was that they were preparing. When we started off with ONL in 2015, I started as a sous chef, and in 2 months, by December, I became the head chef of Strand Hotel Brewer and Butcher. What ONL has done to me, they are pushing me. So for me to do more every single day. I really appreciate ONL for helping me on my journey from being a dishwasher to become a head chef of Strand Hotel Brewer and Butcher.
ONL, creating a future, enhancing life.